How to use Dreamface AI app. So Dreamface is an AI mobile app available on the Google Play Store that allows users to create AI-powered videos and animations from photos and videos. So first, download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then you want to launch the app, so sign in into the Dreamface AI app and log in you're using your Google account. Then you want to explore the features. The app has various sections including AI creation, profile settings, and tools for creating talking avatars, lip sync videos, and more. Then you can also create AI talking avatars. Tap on the AI create button and select the talking avatar. Then you want to choose whether to upload an image from your device or use a pre-installed avatar template. You can also input your desired script, select a voice, and generate the video. And once the video is generated, you can save it on your device. And there are also some other features, like the photo lip sync, where you can upload a photo or video and then upload an audio, then it will generate a lip sync video. It also has the AI video generator, where you can use the AI to create videos from images. It also has image to image, photo video enhance, background removal, text to audio, and lastly, voice cloning.